Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Aurora VPX transceiver, anything in the Aurora VPX line, is VPS dash whatever it is. This will work for all of them, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it seems to be lagging or not responding, and stuff like that, very often this can be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because it will all be wiped off of it, and this will be like it's just coming out of the box. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're buying a used one of these or selling it, or just for whatever reason you want to get it back to just the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and just reset everything to the factory default out of the box settings real easily. With it turned on, we're just going to come in here, we're going to find the menu button and the enter button, and we just press and hold them for 6 seconds. And after 6 seconds, the display will show factory reset. Once it shows factory reset, we can let go of the buttons, and it'll take a minute to do the actual reset, and then once that happens, it will turn off and it will automatically turn back on, and everything will be back to the way that it was when it came out of the box.